Hello everybody and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods, and in this video I want to announce my brand new course that is launching on Wednesday, August 19th at 8 a.m. That's Mountain Time, United States. And so this PLR Profits Academy course, I'm so excited to finally launch it to you guys and give you access to it. As you know, I've put out a few videos about making money with PLR products. It is something that I have done for a long time, and I feel like I am an expert at it and have a lot of knowledge, and I have secret strategies that you're not going to find anyone else teaching online. And so this course will give you access to all the secrets, tips, and strategies that I have with using PLR to make money online. So let me show you a few things about it. So when is the course launching again? The course will launch publicly on Wednesday, August 19th at 8 a.m. Mountain Time, USA. And so what exactly is in this course? So you're going to learn about an intro to what PLR is, in case you don't know what that is. Why PLR is the fastest way to get products up for sale, making money for you. The ways to make money with PLR. So I have my unique ways, my unique strategies. My favorite go-to methods to make money with PLR. The best places to get PLR products from. I go in depth into that. And then my favorite place to get PLR products, and this has a lifetime membership, so pay one time and have unlimited products. So I'm going to be showing you how to rebrand and recreate PLR products into your own product, and then put them up online and to make royalties and passive income. And the great thing about this model is that you do the work one time, and then you make royalties for months and months to come, which is just awesome. So then there's three main methods in the course, and I may be adding more methods in the future. But the core part of the course will come out with three main methods. And method one method one and two are definitely my favorites. Method one is Udemy courses. We utilize the giant Udemy course platform online to launch our products. They will pass review, and we will get a lot of people, hundreds or thousands of people to sign up for the course for free, and then we will launch our product as a paid product eventually, and then we will start making money month after month. Method number two is Draft 2 Digital. Nobody is talking about this, so I go into depth with this method. So any other ebook like course that you've heard about, or anybody teaching you about making money with ebooks, make money publishing, it's always centered around Amazon direct publishing, Kindle direct publishing. So publishing your ebooks on Amazon to make profits. Well, this is a different way of doing it, and it's not about, and there's nothing with Amazon on this. Because there's less competition on the methods that I'm going to show you. There's less competition, and it's easier to get your books approved on these other platforms. So this one is a really awesome method as well. And then finally, method number three, how we can grow YouTube channels using PLR content. So what is the price of the course? So the course will launch at $67 for 1 week. So starting on Wednesday, the course is going to come out at $67. And then the course will go up to $97 for its everyday price. So it's going to be at $67, and then we get a 1 week to pick up the course at that discounted rate, about, what is that, 30% or so. And then the course will then lock in at $97, and it could go up from there. And it does depend on how many people are going to be signing up, because I don't want a whole lot. It's actually interesting. May kind of sound funny to say that I don't want a lot of people in the course, or a lot of sales, because these are secret methods that I've kept for myself and not really launched or told anybody about. So I don't want to oversaturate this. I don't want a bunch of people doing this. So the price does need to reflect that. And so, you know, right off the bat, you're getting an amazing course where I go full in depth on what I'm doing to make money with PLR, exactly what to do. And so, it would be probably in your best interest if you are interested in this method of making money online, picking it up for $67. That's probably the lowest the price will ever be. It will go up to $97. So don't miss out on that. And this is me being completely honest. This course is easily worth $497 up to $1,000 or more. This course is a high-ticket item course, and you're getting it for a fraction of what it's actually worth. So just wanted to point that out. No one's teaching my PLR methods of making money online. My methods are scalable. No competition like on Amazon KDP, where there are thousands of publishers doing the exact same things. So why pick this course up for me? Well, here's some screenshot proof of my Udemy account, and I don't have to log in and show you live, because you can go to my channel and see my Udemy updates where I'm live in the video showing you the back end of my Udemy login, and you can see how I'm making these royalties in front of you. And so, but yeah, I've hit over the 4,000 mark doing these kind of PLR courses on Udemy. 23,000 enrollments on this account. I do have 2 accounts. This is just looking at one of the accounts, and then my instructor rating is healthy at 4.49, almost 4.5, and you can see a bunch of ratings coming in month after month. And then this is the consistency factor. So yes, this isn't thousands of dollars, but I haven't been focusing on this in this year. And so, but this just shows you that courses that I published, months and years ago are still bringing in royalties month after month. So if you want to create a passive income stream for you, this course is perfect for you. You can see that I haven't made less than $200 on the Udemy platform. I have about 8 courses on this account, and I'm making over $200 up to $300, $400, or $500 a month on the Udemy platform just with those courses. Now you can scale this, and that's what the course is about, is scaling this. So if you had 30 courses up on Udemy, then you can be making $1,000 or more per month on the platform. And then this is royalties by month so far this year from Draft 2 Digital, which is really cool. I'm almost around the 100 mark a month. I haven't published books on this platform in over a year, and I'm making these royalties every single month. It's just like clockwork coming into my account. And this, I'm actually going to focus on this in the next 6 months or a year. I am going to really be focusing on the Draft 2 Digital model. So I can make these $100 royalties per month go all the way up to $1,000 per month. But this is just proof that yes, the income is coming in. So another reason to pick up the course is there's over 30 over-the-shoulder videos, so you know exactly what to do. Over 2.5 hours of video content and training. No fluff, no stones left unturned. This is the highest quality make money from PLR course you will ever find. And this is my pride and joy. This course could be offered as a $1,000 course, but you will not pay that today. So this is a true business model. If you take this seriously, you will become successful. So look for my video coming out on Wednesday, August 19th. With the launch announcement and the link to enroll in the course. I hope to see you then. Take care.